This is Sarah and Brian Porthmore of Porthmore Paranormal, showing the back part of Clark Shawnee Elementary School, I think it is, in Clark County. Up there. Inside of the school. Shit. Front of the school building. It makes a cold day to do this crap. Everything. Front entrance of the school. It's an old clock. I don't know what that used to be. You got no chair to sit on here. I don't know what that is. Hey, looky. Want some heart? Another entranceway. Face mask. I'm glad we don't have to wear them no more. Hold for an entranceway. Whole school building. Handprints on the front. Ouch. Respect. Thinking it. Hold on. See if I can get that signed for y'all. Yeah, it says respect. You learned it, you earned it. Like that sign. See the front entrance? It's pretty cool. There's a ball in there. No, yeah. I guess there's this sign up there. Hey, you want some old test books? They put them on the ground out here. Oh shit. Oh. fell my ass. Must have scared a bird or something. Oh, test books. There. Drinking fountain.
There's that water fountain. Is that little water fountain in there?
Mm-hmm.
It's like a probably
Old classroom.
elementary.
Brian
Remember to
Borthman.
like, subscribe, and follow Apart from More Paranormal. Keep exploring us. Well, you guys gotta remember to keep exploring and everything. Keep watching us. We're just gonna try to find some more interesting stuff to look up and everything. And yes, I do got the new shirt, Apart from More Paranormal.